So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Let's say your photo isn't necessarily blurry, but it kinda looks small pixelated. Or, uh, like it was taken with a potential, for example. When you zoom in, all the details turn into blocky squares. So low resolution exports usually mean the app is downscaling your image. FaceApp processes photos on its servers, and the quality of the results largely depends on the quality of the original. If you are exporting a photo that's already small, it will stay small. So how to fix this issue? That's why we made this tutorial on how to fix the resolution exporting FaceApp. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, we want to enable the highest quality setting. By opening FaceApp and going through these settings, look for an option like HD export or the high quality save or even a max resolution. Make sure also to enable the highest quality option available. If you don't see these options, you may need FaceApp Pro. Some apps reserve high resolution exports for paying subscribers. Also try to import full or the full resolution originals. FaceApp can't increase the resolution of a low quality source image. Make sure you are importing the original camera file from your phone. Also avoid using screenshots, images saved from social media or photos sent through messaging apps. They are all compressed and lower resolution than the original. Export directly to device. Use the save to device option in FaceApp settings to export directly to gallery. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.